In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable captions on YouTube Shorts. Captions are a simple way to make shorts more accessible and easier to understand, especially if you're watching in a noisy place, learning a new language, or if the audio just isn't very clear. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to tap and what to look for, so you can turn captions on in just a few seconds. First, open your browser or the YouTube app and head over to your YouTube dashboard or homepage. You don't need any special settings for this. You just need to be on YouTube where you can see your usual feed of videos. If you're on mobile, make sure you're signed in if you want YouTube to remember your preferences, but it's not required just to enable captions on a single short. Next, look for the Shorts section. On desktop, you'll usually see a Shorts option in the left-hand column near the top. On mobile, you might see a dedicated Shorts tab or a row of vertical videos labeled as Shorts. Go ahead and click or tap into a short you want to watch so it opens in the Shorts player. Once the short is playing in the vertical player, move your attention to the top of the screen. You should see 3 small dots, usually in the top right corner. This is the menu that controls extra options for that short. Click or tap on those 3 dots. If you don't see them immediately, try tapping once on the video to bring up the overlay controls. A small menu will appear, and one of the options you'll see is Captions. Select Captions here. This is where you can turn subtitles on or off, and also choose which language you want to see. After you tap Captions, you'll be shown a list of available languages. Sometimes you'll see specific languages listed directly, like English or Spanish. If the creator has provided subtitles, those will appear here. You can simply tap the language you want, and the captions should appear on the video right away. If you don't see your preferred language listed, look for an option called Auto Translate. Tap Auto Translate, then choose the language you want YouTube to translate into. YouTube will automatically generate subtitles in that language while the short plays. From now on, as you watch shorts, you can repeat these same steps whenever you want captions. It only takes a moment, and it can make a big difference in how much you get out of each video.